Ever wondered about your credit score situation or how you can improve it? You're not alone in this journey. Understanding the significance of a good credit score is vital, as it is the cornerstone of our financial health. It plays a crucial role in influencing decisions regarding loans and interest rates. That's why we've put together this guide to provide you with some extremely effective strategies to enhance your credit score. Our aim is to present actionable methods that you can implement immediately. Stay tuned till the end for some exclusive bonus tips that are rarely found in most guides. If you're ready to take the reins of your credit score, then this guide is tailor-made for you. Let's embark on this journey towards a better credit score. First off, let's explore the concept of secured credit cards. Now, these are not your typical credit cards. Secured credit cards require a deposit, which essentially becomes your credit limit. Think of it as a safety net for your lender, but also a tool for you to build or rebuild your credit. These cards are perfect if you're just starting out on your credit journey or if you've had a few bumps along the way. The key here is to use them responsibly. What does that mean? Simply put, it's about paying off your balances on time, every time. This consistent behavior can gradually boost your credit score. Now, you may be wondering, where can I get more information about these secured credit cards? Check the article linked in the description for tools that can guide you to the right card for your situation. Remember, the key is to use them responsibly. With discipline and patience, you'll see your credit score climb. Moving on, have you heard about credit builder loans? These are a unique type of loan designed to help you establish a good payment history, which is a critical factor in your credit score. Unlike traditional loans, with credit builder loans, the amount you borrow is held in a savings account. You don't get access to these funds until you've fully repaid the loan. It's like saving money while building your credit. So, how does this work? You make regular payments over a set period, and these payments are reported to the credit bureaus, helping to build a positive credit history. This method is particularly effective for demonstrating financial responsibility because it shows lenders that you can manage a loan and make payments on time. If you're interested in exploring this further, Kickoff is a great resource linked in the article in the description where you can learn more about how credit builder loans work and how to get started. This method is a great way to demonstrate financial responsibility. Next up are retail store credit cards and credit cards for bad credit. Retail store credit cards are generally more accessible to those with lower credit scores, making them a viable stepping stone towards rebuilding credit. However, in the world of credit, with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to manage these cards wisely by avoiding overspending and ensuring payments are made on time. Just like a personal trainer at the gym, services like Bridget can guide you in managing these cards effectively. They can provide insights and strategies tailored to your situation, helping you navigate the often tricky terrain of credit rebuilding. Similarly, credit cards for bad credit are tailored for individuals with a less than perfect credit history. While these cards come with certain conditions, such as higher rates and fees, they offer a silver lining, an opportunity to mend your credit score. Think of these cards as a second chance, a redemption arc in your credit story. They can help you demonstrate financial discipline through timely payments and low credit utilization. Again, resources in the article linked in the description can help, providing insights on how to best use these types of credit cards. Remember, every step you take towards disciplined use of credit is a step towards a brighter financial future. It's about making the most out of the cards you've been dealt. Quite literally in this case. Disciplined use of these cards can help mend your credit score. Lastly, let's touch on some additional tips. Becoming an authorized user on a credit card belonging to someone with a good credit history is a savvy move. You can benefit from their positive credit activities, sort of piggybacking on the creditworthiness of a trusted family member or friend. Now, here's a bonus tip. Did you know that you can track your on-time rental payments? That's right. Services exist that record your timely rental payments to credit bureaus. This can significantly contribute to your credit history, especially if you're consistent with your rent payments. Kickoff is a fantastic resource linked in the article in the description, where you can learn more about how to leverage this option. Remember, financial discipline is paramount. Make your payments on time, keep your credit utilization low, and choose your credit opportunities wisely. By adhering to these practices, you can see a gradual improvement in your credit scores, enhancing your financial stability and future credit options.